Dang it! Ah! Start. What's up, you guys? Operation Gamer here, and welcome back to another episode of Let's Play Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, I believe we finished Aradia. We found Scaredy McMarks, and we got some new gadgets. I'm sorry about the lack of videos that I've been posting. I've been busy with my new dog. And I just haven't been on the time to record. But I've had a free day today. I had to do a lot of reading. And I'll also be uploading a Minecraft video today too. So I hope you guys enjoy this double feature day. That's what I'll do. If I haven't recorded in a while, I'll do a double feature day where I'll either do both an LP and a Minecraft video, or two LPs and one Minecraft, or two Minecrafts, excuse me. But anyway, let's get this started. I love this music. This music is also one of my favorites.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Anyway, we now have the Glove of Doom. This will become really helpful with this part that we're coming up with.
I got some great bargains for you today.
But anyway, guys, sorry about the lack of Minecraft videos too. I've been having a lot of fun using my new Dazzle for recording, so I promise that I'm gonna keep up my videos. Since I have you, I wanna give you guys a little update on how my channel is gonna go. If you guys saw in the beginning of my intro, if you guys saw my new intro, ow! If you guys saw my new intro, yeah. I'm doing. You know what? I'll tell you about this stuff later. Anyway, so we're gonna go down this path along here. As you can see, we have 2 question marks. So basically, that's 2 missions. First thing you want to do is crank up this bolt. Anyway, if you got, I'm sorry, I have no idea what to talk about during these single commentaries. I'll just talk about it now. If you guys saw my new intro instead of the old fake one, there's gonna be 4 types of videos on my channels. There's gonna be LPs, there's gonna be Minecraft videos, there's gonna be horror games, and there's gonna be movies. The clip you saw in that intro was something that I shot from my trip to Tacoma with the basketball team, called Amnesia Hotel Horror. I'll think about uploading it, but for now I'm not so sure. I'm still editing it. But also, I'm also the one of those songwriter types. So I like to write a lot of music. And and then I have another channel that I will be posting videos on soon. It's my name instead. It's Justin Daffern. You'll guys will be able to get a bunch of music stuff. But from now, yeah, that's basically it for my channel. Okay, so I'm surprised that Ratchet isn't getting hurt from those explosions. I mean, obviously, if you hit an exploder crate, yeah, that makes sense. But not getting hurt when enemies explode just doesn't make any sense. I think that they might want to add a little bit more of a hard feature to that. I'll make it a little more of a challenge. Dun 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 dun. I sing a little bit to the music so I can sync my voice in with my recording, because I have to use 2 programs. I believe I've talked about this before. But sometimes if my videos are a little left behind, like the last one, holy crap, the audio was off. So I'm trying my best to die. I'm trying my best to sync my videos, but right now we're still learning. Ow! Ow! piece of shit. Oh, I hate those guys so much. Bum, bum, bum. Alright, so I'm gonna demonstrate what the Glove of Doom does here. Alright, so just throw it, and 4 little robots will appear, and then we'll completely destroy enemies. Very useful weapon, very, very useful. Especially if you're in a big jam and then you have so many things like that, like all those sand sharks in Aradia. That would come in real handy. So, the Pydroster, I really honestly don't care what it's called. I'm just gonna call it Pydroster. That is really useful for that mission, but so is the Glove of Doom. Wish it had a little more ammunition though. Say goodbye. I wish weapons like this existed in real life. You're just all bored one day and you really don't want to deal with bullies. Oh here, let my robots take care of you. Oh, I'm just gonna sit back and drink my coconut smoothie while I see you get beat up by my little friends. Damned with ya. Okay, so this planet, I believe, has, dang it, 1 gold bolt and 1 skill point. I'll demonstrate the skill points later, but I will get the, dang it, when I can, I will get the gold bolts. I really wish I had a pillow behind my head so I wouldn't keep bumping my damn headphones into the wall. I see bolts. It's really awesome when you just walk around some random area and then all of a sudden just a bunch of bolts just come flying up at you. Loose change. All right, so the phrase "lucky penny." What would they say in Ratchet and Clank world? In Ratchet and Clank. Oh, I found a lucky nut. Which nut do you mean? Cause both of them you kind of need. Oh, check this out. Oh, this guy's screwed here. Yeah. How many did that take? It only took 2 of those guys just to kill him. Or 1. Oh my god, it only took 1? Just remember this is the old saying, the bigger they are, the stupider they are. The bigger they are, the stupider they are, the harder they fall. Wait a minute. Guy's looking for me. I think I'll just make like 1 episode will be 1 planet. If it's a brand new planet, 1 episode will be new planet. If I'm going back for the gold bolts, then it'll be cutscenes to new planets. I'm not gonna cut out the ship part though. I feel like it's part of it, cause there's random cutscenes in the middle of some of the ship parts when you go to each planet. And yeah, you know, you just never know. I used to record these on videotapes, so I could watch them later for myself. But sadly there'd be no commentary. Say bye. Say bye. Goodbye. Have fun. Never leave a bolt behind. Are you kidding me? Destroy him. Get all the bolts. What's this?
Sweet! Gadgetron's suck cannon can vacuum up multiple enemies, then fire them out as high-caliber missiles. Caution, enemies must be small enough to fit inside the barrel.
Alright, so now we have the suck cannon. Ratchet and Clank 3, this suck cannon, it actually sucks up crates. This one doesn't. Why? Why must you crush my dreams like that? But anyway, you guys, the suck cannon is actually pretty useful. If you're dealing with a bunch of small enemies that you really don't want to deal with, like this one. Then you can just suck them up. And then after you stop sucking, then you just press circle again, and then it'll shoot them out. Sadly, if your barrel isn't full and you stop sucking, which there's no way you guys will. Never mind. Bad joke. And you stop sucking, then it won't continue sucking if there's more enemies around. That's the one thing I hate about the suck cannon. Okay, as you can see there. I hate this. I hate getting this gold bolt. Oh God! Give me a second, you guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna adjust my damn pillow. Bum, bum. Bum, da, na. I saw a comment on my video saying I need to get a new microphone. Thank you. I don't remember your name, but thank you for giving me the tip. I am trying my hardest to. Oh, there we go. Oh, I always try to wall jump, but thank you for your tips. I will work as hard as I can. I do have Pinnacle Studio that I can edit my videos on. I'm not sure about oh crap. I'm not sure about getting a new microphone. I will work on it, you guys. I know my microphone isn't the best quality, but it's the best I have.
I got some great bargains for you today. Oh, that's a nice one.
But yeah, thank you for the tips. I don't exactly remember your name. I'll look them up when we're heading to the next world. All right, so. Anyway, so yeah, that's basically it. Alright, so. Sorry, I'm trying to log into my iPod. Jump. Oh, I'm pressing the circle button. And now the music changes. Trying to multitask here. Here, let me show you guys up with a random Tucker time. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I'm back. It's XGNA underscore shadow. Thank you for your tips. I will work as hard as I can. Sorry, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that random Tucker time. Anyway, so thank you XGNA underscore shadow. Thanks for your tips. And it's not that I'm nervous. Not doubting your reasons. It's not that I'm nervous. It's just that I don't know what to talk about during these solo commentaries, and I get stuck between sentences really easily. But I really appreciate you trying to help me out, and I will work on everything that you said. But for now, let's just enjoy the videos. All right, so we're back over here. Hopefully, I don't fall. Okay, good. And up we go. Alright, so, honestly, I hate these trespass.
By double tapping the triangle button, you can quickly switch between your two most recently used weapons or hand gadgets.
Ah. Thanks for the tip. I hate these trespasser puzzles. They're so annoying. Crap. To everyone, they're so friggin' simple. There we go. Alright, there's dialogue. I'm gonna turn off my mic.
You sure showed him.
I suppose I did.
Is your current occupation leaving a rotten taste in your mouth? Then you need to know about BTS, Blog Tactical Research Station. Hi, I'm Supreme Executive Chairman Drek, and we here at BTS are seeking motivated individuals to fill positions in these exciting careers. Grind boot tester, warhead assembly technician, mutant animal husbandry, robot repairman, suck cannon test dummy, and administrative assistant. So call BTS. Build our weapons while you build your future.
I'm calling BTS today.
Now we're talking. Did you see all the cool gadgets they're making? Let's go get some.
No, we must continue our search for Captain Quark.
You're absolutely right.
I am?
Sure, we need to find Quark. Although when we find him, wouldn't it be nice to be able to tell him where Chairman Drek is?
I suppose.
Well, we go to the space station and talk to the scientists. They work for Drek, so they're bound to know where he is.
I am unsure about your logic.
You think too much. Come on, let's go.
I love how Ratchet just loves to manipulate Clank like that. It's amazing. Alright, so I've only been recording for 19 minutes. Why? No, we're gonna go for longer. We'll probably hit two planets this video. And my volume in my headset is way too loud. Okay. I'm never calling BTS. Wanna why? 'Cause they're full of shit. Here we go. I think this is where never mind. Oh gosh, I feel so relaxed. I've been watching some of my videos and noticed that my audio is really, really loud. almost overgoing my content. So yeah, I might need to watch that a little. I forgot to turn down my mic volume, but I think it's fine. Okay. Never know when we might need this. Oh, we definitely need this. Okay, so this is the taunter. Basically, it brings enemies closer to you, and it also destroys crates, which is really going to be coming in handy. Why, you may ask? Because, because it's really going to be useful for helping us getting the rhino. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da. Simple. Send Clank out to explore the outside of the station. Sweet, we get to play as Clank now. Yeah. I wish they would add in thruster pack features. Aw, crap, I just spoiled something. Whoops. Oh well, I should really shut my mouth. Right now we have the helipack. Just to glide. Okay, so this is the first time we get to play as Clank because we're outside in space. Once we pick up the O2 mask, we'll be able to explore out here with Ratchet. I've always wanted to know what would happen if I collected a gold bolt with Clank. If anyone has ever done that, please let me know, because that'd be so cool to do. Sucks that Clank gets all the easy enemies though. But that don't destroy this crate, cause you needed to get up here and destroy these crates. Punch it. Punch it, Agent Clank.
Jump, then press and hold the X button again while in the air to glide.
No shit. Da-da-da-da. Oh no. Die, die, die. Okay, up we go. Oh, if you guys like these videos, go ahead, share them with your friends, cause I know I'm not that funny, but it just feels really nice to know that you guys like my videos. So if you guys like them, just please pass them on to your friends. Let them see if they like them. It'd just be awesome to know that you guys care. I'm not begging. I'm just saying it'd be really nice. Da 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 da. Awesome Clank skimming across the ledge like a badass. Clank is awesome. I love playing as him, even though he's kind of weak. Oh no. Crap. How am I supposed to get past him? Wait, what are these? Whoa.
You have just activated a Gadgetbot. To command a Gadgetbot, hold down the triangle button and select Wait, Follow, Attack, or Enter.
Alright. Attack him. Attack him! Wait. Enter. Enter here. Enter. Fine, attack. Attack. Okay. Enter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. That was weird. Good 25 minutes. Pretty good. Alright, Clank's laugh is amazing, but it also frightens me.
The Gadgetron Hydro Displacer uses insta-faucets and insta-drains. Using it, you can drain and fill pools. Our sensors do not detect any on this space station.
Okay, question. How does Clank fit that huge gadget into his little box? Makes no sense. What else doesn't make any sense is how is Ratchet able to carry all those weapons? Hold your breath, Ratchet.
I'm back.
So you are.
And I found this.
Hey, cool. It's a, what is it?
A hydro displacer.
Great. I always wanted one of those, I guess.
We now have a hydro displacer.
Did you know you can place any gadget or weapon on your quick select?
No,
Just pause and choose quick select.
I hear ya. But I don't need it right now. Should I go longer or... We'll save this for next time because this is a really long part. And honestly, it's not my favorite. We'll do this and then we'll hit the episode. Alright, so board the warship. Sorry, I didn't mean to cancel her out. Meaning to board the warship. Wait, what? Okay, that's literally never happened to me before. Okay. Die. Mwah. Alright, these guys are strong, but if you do your overhead attack on their dome, they will die. Thought robots don't laugh. Oh, crap. This is where the suck cannon really comes in handy. And then let you down. I shot you guys. Oh, crap. That's how we do it in my town. Alright, so we have some good missiles for later use. And some really good nanotech too. I'm looking at my Odyssey streams and holy crap, my audio is loud. Low. Sorry, I think someone's home. Oh yeah, those crates are new. They're you can't destroy them with your wrench. You can only destroy them with either explosive crates or explosive weapons, like the bomb glove, or yeah, it's basically the only explosive weapon I have. I don't know about the thing though, the suck cannon. Oh, whoops. Oh, we pushed the big shiny red button.
Thank you for selecting our automated self-destruct feature.
Oh, you're welcome.
Vessel annihilation sequence initiated. Please remove all personal belongings.
I love the how nice these things are. Now these guys are horrible. Oh crap.
Seriously, I'm not kidding. This whole place is about to explode. Really?
Well, ow. Yeah, let's get out of here. I love how nice these people are. They're just like, seriously, I'm not kidding. This place is about to explode. Get out of here. Get your crap and go. Wow. Pretty explosions.
This is Darla Gratch reporting live from Blackwater City. We've just learned that Captain Quark will be presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic Hoverboard Championship, which will be held here over the next few days. In related news, this planet has recently been suffering from an infestation of strange amoeboid creatures. The city's administration has assured this reporter that every step has been taken to eradicate these nuisances. Darla Gratch, Channel 2 News.
Did you see that?
Yes, I hope that poor woman is all right.
She's fine, I think. I was talking about the hoverboard races.
You know what? Let's make this content extra long just because of how much I didn't record last time. But anyway, amazing how many times that woman gets eaten, but yet she's still alive. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and finish this planet. Ow! And we're back down to surviving to 1 health, and we didn't do crap. Shooting you guys.
Need a little help with these enemies? Try your taunter.
You always gotta check, because you never know if surprise enemies are gonna come around. Alright, so here's a new thing. Alright, so I want to have your blaster out for this. Why? That's why. Yeah. I have 7,000 bolts already? Sweet. Usually that's impossible. Do I dare? Yes, I dare. It's not like it's just any ordinary bolts. Sweet. I could have done that. Okay. And that's how you do awesomeness. Yeah, see? You never trust everything that you see on TV. This, for example. Whew, I thought I got hit there for a second. I thought it was a goner. Whew. Crap. Suck cannon. Dang. Holy crap, 38 minutes. I might just break this into 2 parts. Logic, we don't need it. We'll just make this episode really long.
I got some great bargains for you today.
I never use my bomb glove for my... I love the glove of doom. And down he goes. Gimme the gold boat. Okay. I might need to stop here in a second. we're almost done with this. We'll just make this long, or I might just put it in 2 parts. Okay, I'll try and hurry. Sorry guys, this episode's really long, but you know what? I do owe you guys. Oh, of course, that one goes off and then this one goes on. Do this. See, they can't breathe on this planet for some reason. So apparently if you... As you can see, the blaster is crucial for this. How much nanotech have we been running on? 4? Okay. Welcome to the mini boss. There is a skill point that we will get later. It is a fairly easy boss, though. Ah, crap. Dang it! Ah! That's why I hate this level.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Alright, we're gonna hurry now. I'm already at 42 minutes. This is a... I don't want... True.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Gonna be one more and I'm gonna be pissed. Might as well use this. To go. Exterminator. Oh, of course, right when I ran out of bullets. Goodbye. Never did like you. Oh, I hate that part so much. Holy crap, 45 minutes. Okay, I'm really going for time here. swear someone's calling me. Alright, let's hurry. Wait, they're not attacking me. Why not?
Thought I was a goner this time. Some nano-wit in genetics must have left the cages open again.
You could come down now.
Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
So, you are an inventor.
Gadget engineer. I create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Drek. For instance, the Ola. My soon-to-be patented grind boots. Look, I need to get out of here so I can find a new job. How about I sell you these? At cost.
Sell? After we just saved your scrawny butt?
All right. I'll give you the employee discount, too.
We don't even work here. Wow, you're dumb.
Well, thanks. I'm gonna get out of here while I still can.
The grind boots. These are actually quite fun to use. Here we go. You can actually shoot while you have these. Yeah, so the grind boots are really gonna be useful. Okay, let's hurry and get to Planet Rilgar so I can end this episode. I mean, not that I don't like playing with you guys, but wow, it took a long time. This is gonna take a while to upload. I'm gonna end the episode right when I get to Planet Rilgar. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you taking almost an hour of your day to come spend it with me and playing Ratchet and Clank. Don't forget I'm also going to upload a Minecraft video today too. So anyway, you guys, I want to thank you guys for watching this special long episode of Ratchet and Clank, and I will see you all later.